This is the moment the fight is lost. Your opponent is a storm of relentless aggression, and every single instinct you have is wrong. You want to retreat, you want to brawl. Both will lead to your destruction. In this video, I'm giving you the 3-step system to dismantle any aggressive fighter by turning their greatest strength into their biggest weakness. Aggression is not a threat, it is predictable forward momentum. This 3-step system will teach you how to exploit it. For years, I tried to brawl with brawlers. I would gas out, get clipped, and I was always fighting their fight. The moment I learned to treat their aggression as a gift, as free energy to be redirected, the entire game changed. Step 1. The frame. Absorb the shock. The amateur's first reaction to pressure is to panic and run straight back, which is exactly what the aggressor wants. Your first job is not to retreat, it is to hold your ground and become a rock in the river. You must have a strong, durable defensive shell that you can trust, allowing the initial storm to flow around you without breaking your position. The wall drill. Stand 1 foot away from a wall in your stance. Have a partner throw light, rapid punches at your guard. The wall prevents you from retreating. Your only job is to stay calm, keep your chin tucked, and use a tight, active guard to parry and block. You were training your mind to be comfortable in the fire. Step 2. The pivot. Create the collision. You've proven you won't break. Now you make them pay for their predictability. The amateur tries to push back against pressure, wasting energy in a losing game of brute force. You do not stop a charging bull. You step aside and let it crash into the wall behind you. The pivot is your most important tool. A sharp 90-degree pivot on your lead foot, swinging your rear leg out. They will fly past you into empty space. You are using their energy to create a dominant angle for free. If you're here to learn the chess match of combat, not just the punches, you belong here. Hit subscribe. Step 3. The counter. Punish the mistake. You've absorbed the shock and created the angle. Now you deliver the punishment. An aggressive fighter is an open book. They're constantly off balance, their chin is often exposed, and their hands are rarely in the correct defensive position after they throw. Every wild punch they throw is a gift-wrapped invitation for your counter. Your 2 best weapons are the check hook and the slip cross. As they lunge in, you pivot and throw a tight lead hook, catching them as they fly past. Or, as they throw their power hand, you slip outside and fire your own cross directly down the newly created opening. You are not chasing them, you are letting them run directly into your weapon. The final secret is this. An aggressive fighter provides all the energy for their own destruction. Your only job is to provide the pivot point. They are the hammer swinging wildly in the dark. You are the anvil, waiting calmly to break them. By refusing to play their game, you force them into a system where their greatest strength becomes their most predictable, exploitable, and fatal flaw. Stop fearing aggression. Start seeing it as a predictable input that you can systematically dismantle. Absorb, pivot, punish. That is the blueprint to controlling any aggressive fighter. Which of these 3 steps, the frame, the pivot, or the counter, is the weakest link in your game against pressure fighters? Let's get an audit going in the comments. If you're ready to master this system, subscribe now. And to build the mindset required to stay calm under fire, watch my video on the secret move that wins fights right here on the screen. It's the perfect next step. Train smart, stay ready.